Hello, hello. I have a comment from a subscriber or a user. It's from Dash Hub, DASHHUB, and it goes, I beg your pardon, gentlemen, if my comment seems to be correcting you intentionally, but I have had the understanding so far that ports 8400 and 8403 play the communicators. That is accurate. We're here. So the target machine to access, so you have all target ports 8400, access is from all other network peers, and the feature is required to open on media agents for faster data traffic. Then you have 8403. That's kind of the communication. Then, of course, you have the 8401, which is the ComServe console. And you're right. I think I put in there 8402, so you're accurate in that statement. I appreciate it very much. Thanks for keeping me on my toes. Have a great day.